In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to script Miro Eggy Reels. By the end, you'll have a simple structure you can use every time you plan a short, punchy reel about Miro. Start with a strong hook in the first 2 to 3 seconds. This is what decides if people keep watching. Keep it direct and impactful. You can say, still organizing your projects like this? Stop. Or, if you're using Miro wrong, watch this. Or, here's how I manage clients in one board. Aim for something relatable or slightly controversial so it grabs attention immediately and makes viewers feel like the next few seconds are worth it. Next, define one clear topic. Don't explain everything in one reel. Pick a single focus like a Gantt chart, a client board, Miro AI, or team spaces. Narrowing down keeps your message crisp and makes it easier for viewers to follow along without getting overwhelmed. Now write the value line, which sets the promise of what they'll learn. Keep it crisp and outcome driven. For example, here's how to create a client dashboard in 30 seconds. Or, this Miro feature will save you hours. This line sets expectations and connects your hook to the demo you're about to show. Then script the demo, which is your main content. Break it into 2 or 3 quick steps so it moves fast and feels achievable. For a client board reel, you might say, first create a new board, add frames for each section, then organize tasks and links. Keep sentences short and natural, so your voiceover matches the pace of on-screen actions without needing extra filler. As you write, add visual instructions to guide what appears on screen. This keeps filming efficient and consistent. For example, say, show the Miro dashboard, click new board, add frames. These notes help you pair visuals with your voiceover and make the tutorial feel polished without extra editing. Finally, end with a clear call to action. Tell viewers exactly what to do next. For example, follow for more Miro tips. Save this for later. Or comment Miro and I'll send a template. A direct CTA boosts engagement and gives your audience a simple next step. That's the framework. Hook, one topic, value line, quick demo, visual cues, and a strong CTA. Use it to plan your next Miro reel. Keep it tight and focus on making each second useful. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see what you create.